I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to put the MyPilotPro on the Cessna 172 as well. First of all, put the unit on there, neoprene washer and the stainless steel washer on the back. Take your aluminum knurled nut and tighten it down on the stainless steel threaded rod. Again, remembering that the cam is very powerful, so you don't want to get too much pressure on it, like so, and then tighten it down like that. And the next thing we're going to do is, for added safety, we're going to put the stainless steel cotter pin on there. There you have it, MyPilotPro. Secure, simple, and no tools required.